Rockin' tots, come along, sing and dance, it won't take long. Color shapes and learning fun, rockin' tots for everyone.
Hi, friends! I'm Poppy the puppy. I wonder what we'll learn today. Let's go rockin' tots and check out our magic box. Whoa, it's glowing! And wow, it's the letter A. Can you say A? Wait, I can move now? This is magic! Do you want to sing a fun song with me about the letter A?
A is for apple, big and red. A is for alligator, snap your head. A is the first letter, don't you see? Sing along and learn with me. A, what do you say? Makes the sound of today. A is awesome, A is fun. Let's learn more, come on everyone. A is for airplane, flying high. A is for ants, crawling by. A is the first letter, don't you see? Let's find more words with me. Wave your hands and say A. Shout it out, hip hip hooray. A is awesome, A is neat. Stomp your feet to the beat. A, what do you say? Makes the sound of today. A is awesome, A is fun. Now we know, hooray, we're done. A, what do you say? Makes the sound of today. A is awesome, A is fun. Now we know, hooray, we're done. Hooray.
I had so much fun singing and dancing with all of you rockin' tots. Here's a challenge. Can you point out things that start with the letter A around you? Until next time, goodbye, rockin' tots!
Rockin' tots, we had some fun. Learning by the ton. See you next time, don't forget. Keep on rockin', we're not done yet.